Good evening. Yes,
Sir, can you say the company code path once?
I will show you. No
Hi sir,
problem.
good evening.
Very good evening. Good evening. So everybody managed to log in and do the steps, first and second step.
Yes sir.
Good. Anybody have
Yes, sir.
facing any problem?
Sir,
Anybody
one
could
more
not?
time, tell me, sir.
Sir, first step is understood, but in second step there is a problem in edit.
There is a problem in the second step. Okay, no problem.
Hello, sir.
Yes, ma.
One more time, tell me yesterday, sir, class. First time, second step.
Okay, I will show you. No problem. I'll show you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, right. So we are talking about. So we log in. Everybody able to log in a comfortable night login process.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
log in. You give your user ID, password. Correct. Yeah. So I'm already logged in. I believe that's why I have to log out first. Right. So now I log out first. Then I log in. So anybody who did not get the access yet in the class? Nobody. Anybody?
Yes, sir. I did not get the access.
Why? What is the problem?
They gave one user and password, sir. That is coming like already used login.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, they told that you have to wait. You will give new one.
Okay, okay. No problem. Yeah. Who else?
I got, but not tried yet. Just now I have downloaded that one. I mean, just now process is completed of in system download SAP.
Okay, okay. Do it, na? Good. So now, I'm logging in now.
A small doubt.
Yes.
Everything was good. So only part is how we'll be going back in the environment. It is little bit confusing. That's the only
Back
thing.
in the environment means?
Means so I created first your company group. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Then how do I go back to the system? Or once I complete everything like company define company group, then the company codes.
Hmm.
So how I will
If you
visualize all
want to
this?
change anything in future, that is
Yes.
what you want to know? How to
Yes,
change.
I'm having the issue with interface actually, the user interface. It is actually not clear to me.
Okay. See, the thing is, if you create something, tomorrow you want to change anything, na, same place you will go and change. Suppose yesterday I created SPRO. Here I went to reference IMG. Then I went to my enterprise structure. Then definition. Then financial accounting. Then define company. No, this is the path, no, navigation, right? So you click on the define company and you do it.
Yes,
No?
sir.
Okay. So here I created, what is the company I created yesterday?
Sahara.
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 Sahara
So
Group.
in my system, there are 234 companies I have, groups I have. Correct or not? So group we are
Yes sir.
calling as a company na in
Company
SAP.
type.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the company we created? What is the name?
Sahara Group. Sahara
Yeah,
Group.
so short name what we have given.
Sahara.
Yeah, so this is the Sahara, 6 characters na maximum.
Yes,
So
sir.
I created. Now I want to change it. What I will do? Double click on it na. It will open. I want to change the address. Anything I can change. Except the code. Code is not changeable. Code you cannot change. Name and other things you can change. Is that clear? Yeah.
Sir, how to create the one request?
Yeah, own request I will show you. So when you are clicking on save, it will ask. I will show you. When I'm doing step 3, I will show you. Okay. Yeah.
Sir, if you don't mind, can you just go back once and show this just SAP steps? No, from
Path.
beginning.
This path.
Yeah.
Na?
Okay.
So in the you go back here.
Yes.
Starting
Yes.
screen, you log in. Here you will give SPRO.
Yes. Yes.
SPRO means what? SAP project reference
Object.
Object.
object. So
Yeah.
you give that. Then what you do? Then
Enter.
what?
Accounting. Once we enter.
Once we enter, okay, press enter, then you go to give this, press enter. Then you click on the reference IMG, na?
Yes.
Sir.
reference IMG, reference IMG. Then you go to enterprise structure.
Yes.
Then you go to definition. Then you go to financial accounting. Then you define company. You see, this we call it as nav. How we are going step by step, na? You click this. Correct? You clicked on this, then you clicked on this, then you clicked on this, and now you are in the define company. Is that clear? Yeah. So what do you call this? Navigation or path. Correct. So you click on, if you click on the name, it will not open. You have to click on this clock and tick button. Na? You click on it, then it will open. Is that clear? So in this, we will click on the new entries and we will create whatever group you want to create. Na, you create like this. You give the name and address and everything. You save it, then it will be created. Is that clear? Yeah. So now, so that is step number 1. Na?
Yes, sir.
So right, step number 1 is like this. We created. What is the group we created? Sahara group we created. Position Sahara. So see here, position means always find. Kada, this is German
Yes, sir.
English. Position, there are 3 dots here. Position dot dot means to go to that position. Correct. Which position? This position. Got it. So our position is 207 position out of 234. Got it. So you are going here, you are opening and you are looking at it. Okay. So this is the change I have done yesterday. Kada, to yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Before the class, nothing was there in the system. Before the class, it was a brand new SAP ERP software. Sahara people purchased it, but Sahara name was also not there in it. So
Yes, sir.
now we have a change. What is the change? In their new system,
Define company.
Sahara group is there. Na? Got it? Yeah, we have the change. We have created the group in the new software. Now, is it a file I created? No, I have created a change. So, day before yesterday, Sahara group was not there. Now, today we have Sahara group is there. That is the difference. Is that clear? Do you understand the change? Yeah,
Yes,
to
sir.
see the change, where I have to go, to see what change I have done, to have to go to same screen only. Correct or not? Where I have done the change, same screen only, you can see the change. Got it? Yeah. Okay.
So sorry for the
So
interruption.
yeah.
So,
So one doubt is there that what is the difference between file or folder and change?
What is the difference between?
File and change.
See, file is you created a MS Word file, correct? Yeah, MS Word file, you typed one letter, you typed and you saved it. It is a file, na? Correct. You can put it anywhere, na? On the desktop. You can put it on a folder. You can attach it to an email. Correct? That is a file. But here, what we are doing, we are making the changes in the software. So imagine, see, I will give you one more example. Now there is one square stone is there, na? We are like sculptors. Slowly we are shaping it in the shape of our client. The rock, the square rock, we are slowly making the changes to it and sculpting it as per the requirement of the client. You understand? So once this project
Got
is
it.
over, it will take exactly the shape of our client. You understood? That is what is a
Yes, sir.
change. Na? So you understand the word change? That is a change. Correct? We are not creating one file and then saving in a folder. No, we are saving the changes. Now what is the point here? Why we should talk about changes? Now we don't have one rock, na? We have 3 rocks. Correct or not? So we have one square rock, that is a development, another square rock, that is a quality, another square rock, that is a production. So the first I will make the change in the development, and again I will not work hard and on the quality also. No, I will just apply the change on the quality. Automatically it will take the shape of exactly development. You understand? That is what is a change. You copy the change to the quality. Then whatever changes I have done in development, same changes will be applicable in the quality also. So I am not changing the file. I am not copying the file. I am applying the change I have done in the development to the quality. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, so now. So I have created step 1 next. So step 2, this change concept, many people don't get it. Na? When they don't get it, it will create lot of problems. Especially as a consultant, you need to understand. Kada? So you are not creating a file and saving it. No, you are making the changes and saving it in a folder. Apply the same changes to the quality. Is it clear? Yeah, good. So step number 1, everybody comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So step number 2, how I will do? Step number 2 is what?
Company code.
Company code. Na? You know, na? Company group we are calling as a company, and business entities we are calling them as.
Company code.
Company code.
Now, what is a business entity, guys? What is a business entity?
Nothing but company code.
A group of
Organization
companies.
structure.
No, no.
Vertical
Now,
business of company.
Sir, like
okay.
Sahara Hotels and Sahara Airlines.
Yeah. So
Some.
now a branch is there. Can I call it as a business entity?
Yes, sir.
No,
Branch.
no.
Yes,
Subsidiary.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Branch is a, now Tata Steel is there. They have a branch in Hyderabad, another branch in Vizag. Do you call it Hyderabad as one company code, Vizag another company code?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir. No.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
No, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir,
No.
same entity.
The answer is business entity means you will register as a separate business
Business.
entity. Fan noise is there, whoever it is. Fan noise. Please go back to mute. Yeah. So they will register as a separate entity with the register of the companies. So when they register it separately, they have to declare the financial statements, publish and pay tax separately. Got it? So now Tata Group is there, na? They have registered Tata Steel separately. They registered Tata Consultancy Services separately.
Yes,
They
sir.
registered Tata Motor separately, na? Kada. So now will they do business mix and do? No, na? They will do it separately. Correct. So they exist independently and they pay taxes separately. That is what is a business entity, right? Separately registered legal entity is a business entity. You understood? So a branch is not a business entity. It's not a branch. It is the registered. Yeah? You register per company, no, per country. So Tata Steel, wherever it is there in India, na, it is a company code only. Because all their accounts, profits are maintained in Tata Steel name. You understand? And you pay the taxes at Tata Steel levels. Is it clear? Yeah, understood everybody, company code?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Company code is a separately registered legal entity at which you will have to publish your accounts and pay the taxes. Correct? Good. So branch wise you don't pay the tax, no? Do you? Do you pay the tax branch wise? No.
No, sir.
Correct na? See, Tata Steel is there or now ICICI Bank is there. Will they pay the taxes every branch separately?
No,
No.
sir.
No, sir.
ICICI Bank Limited is a one separate registered entity. At company code level, they do it. Okay? Good. Right. So now, so step number 2, what we do? How do we go to step 2? We
Sir,
click.
how to create one request?
Yeah, I'm showing 1 minute. So you click on this one. Then you click on edit company code. Edit company code. You create na. Yesterday I created 3 company codes. Na, that is Sahara, 2 company codes. Sahara Airlines and Sahara Hotels. Kada? 2 company codes I create. Got it? Yeah. So So this is how we create. Click on the new entries and we have created Sahara Airlines like this. Correct? Yeah, INR, and give all the details, address details you give. You go to address, give the details and save. That is step number 2. So like this, how many company codes I created? 2
Two.
company. Okay, now. So company codes, everybody comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, step number 3. Right, note down. Step number 3. Right, write down. Step number 3 is define business areas. Define business areas. Business areas we use for reporting purposes. Reporting means what? See now. Now I have 2 company codes. So this group I created as Sahara, right? Sahara. This Sahara hotels I created as SHL, correct? Sahara Airlines I created as, what is the name I have given?
SAL.
SHL.
SAL.
So now I will get a P&L and balance. So I have 2 company codes now, SAL and SAH, SHL. Now I will get a P&L and balance sheet. I will get a P&L and balance sheet at what level? At India level, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Yeah, all over India, what happened in Sahara Airlines. Same way, I will get a P&L and balance sheet at what level? Again at country level, India. Is that clear? So now, but I have a requirement. I want to know state-wise performance. I want to know how much business we have done in Telangana. How much business we have done in Maharashtra. Understood? Like that I want to know. So what I will do, I will create a business area like this. Okay. So for Telangana, I will create, what is it? Sahara Telangana business area. Same way Maharashtra, I will create Sahara Maharashtra business area. So right. So I will create 2 business areas. And then what I do, when I am recording the transaction, suppose I made 5 lakh sales. Now where did I do this sales? I did it in Telangana. Correct. So I will record like this, na. So I will record in the combination of Sahara Airlines plus STBA. Same way, I have done another 4 lakh sales. This I have done in Sahara Airlines plus SMBA. Right? This 4 lakh sales I have done in Sahara Airlines in Maharashtra. This 5 lakh sales I have done in Sahara Airlines in Telangana. Same way, I can record like this also, no? 3 lakh sales. Where did I do? In Sahara Hotels Limited. But which business area? STBA. I did another 1 lakh sales in again SHL. Which business area? SMBA.
SMBA.
You understand? So I record the transactions in the combination of company code and business area. Is that clear? So now suppose if I ask you what is the total sales in Sahara Airlines? What is the total sales in Sahara Airlines?
9 lakh.
9 lakhs. In India, correct? How much in Maharashtra? 4 lakhs. How much in Telangana?
5 lakh.
5 lakhs. Got it? How much sales we have done all over India in Sahara hotels?
13 lakhs.
4 lakh. How much in Telangana?
3 lakhs.
3 lakhs. Got it? So we are able to know country level performance and state level performance also. You understand? So we create the business area and we will use it at the time of recording of the transaction. Clear everybody? Yeah. So that is the business area. Okay. Right. So Note down. I will do this now. So the T, the this is the path I will show you now. Just 1 minute. Okay, write down.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, when I log on into SAP,
Hmm.
my
Hmm. Hmm.
server, so when I am going to enterprise resources like structure,
Hmm.
so it is showing me that you can't make any changes. You can only display it. It is locked.
Ah.
It is
Okay. It is
showing.
locked. Locked. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Got it. So I will show you. No problem. I will show.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Done. Noted, everybody. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I am going to the path now. Na? I'll go like this. Go back. Go back. Go back. Yeah. So here I am in the business area. Na? Next step. You see, this is step 1, step 2, step 3. Correct. Now. So click on define business area. Now I opened it. Because I am in which screen? I am in the business area screen. Now simultaneously I can open one more screen also like this. You see, this is new session. Okay, so I can open like this. When I click on it, a new session will open. So already this session is running. You understood? This screen is open. I opened one more screen. How to open? This is the one. Is that clear? So like this, how many sessions you can have simultaneously? 6 sessions. So you can open 6 screens at one time. Okay. So now what happened? This screen is already open. Na? Now I am opening again. I went here. Again reference IMG. Again I went to enterprise structure. Definition. Financial accounting. Define business area.
Business.
Now you see. This is the message you will get.
Yeah, yeah. This is.
Correct? So what it is saying, the screen is already open. Somebody is working on it. You understand? So two people cannot work on the same screen. Na? Kada? That is the message, right? So what you can do here, if you click on yes means only see, display. You
Yes.
cannot change. Na? If I
Yes,
click
sir.
on yes, it will only show me.
Yes.
Display view, na? I cannot change. So what I can do now to solve this problem, what we can do? We can go to SM12, write down like this, /n SM12. To remove the lock, what is the T code? SM12, write down. So lock, to remove lock, to remove lock. Okay, note down this. To remove lock. Lock means what? Somebody else is working. I cannot, somebody else is working. We cannot do the same. Na? That is what is lock. So two people cannot work on the same screen.
Sir, after we remove lock, we can work, right?
Both can work now.
Both.
If you remove the lock, that guy also will continue. You will also continue.
Oh,
Is that clear? Yeah.
yes, sir.
Good. So now, so here what it is, I will go like this /n /n SM12. Yeah, I went here. So now here, this is my username, na, my username. Kada. So here, the point here is not only your logs, other people also working, na. See, we have a common server for all students, na. Of
Yes,
course,
sir.
of course, we have 6 servers. for our institute, we have 6 servers. We are maintaining 6 servers, but still we have so many students, na? So there is a possibility that somebody might be working on the same screen. Then only you will get the lock entry. Okay. So what you have to do, remove your users. If you put only your username, na, only your locks you can see. So what you can do, remove your username, put star here. Star means what? It will show the lock entries of all users. Is that clear? It will show the lock entries of all users. Okay. So what I will do, click on the list option. Click on the list option. You can see no locks na right now. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, let me go again. Yeah, so here I have, right? So right now, because I closed the screen na. Okay, so let me do it once again. I will go and go to SPRO /n SPRO reference IMG, then go to enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define business. Okay, you see I locked the lock entry na. Okay, then what I do? Okay, no. Then I will go to, when I get lock entry like this, I will go to SM12, remove the SAP user, put star here, list. Then it will show me the lock entries like this. Correct? Right. So what I will do now, select all. This is select all, guys. Yeah. Select all and then delete. So all this delete lock entry, yes. Correct. So when you delete the lock entry, na, now you can also work now. You see, this is already open. Na? Now I will open once again. You see now /n SPRO. Yeah, SPRO reference IMG. Then I go to enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define business area. You see, I can also work. He can also work. New entries, he can also work. I can also work.
In the same screen, sir.
Same time. Yes. Got it?
So,
Because I removed the lock. Okay?
so
Yes,
my
sir.
question
Yes,
is,
sir.
the it will be create a conflict in between, because in the same screen both the users are working.
Correct. Now, whoever is saving first, it will be saved. That guy also will save later. Got it? So, 2 separate sessions without locking each other, without disturbing each other, they are working. Okay? Yeah. Right. So, whoever changes last, na, his change will be applicable. It will overrule the previous person. Got it? Yeah. See,
Yes, sir.
whoever does the change last, that is the latest, na?
Yes.
Got it? Good. You understood now? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this problem you will not get in real time. Why? Because it is a new server and only you are working, na? Kada? Only you are the consultant, 3, 4 consultants, you are working on the system. But here students, we have many, many people are working, so you may get the lock in. Got it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay, good. Yes.
business area comes under functional or controlling, sir.
This is all finance. Controlling we have not started. Controlling we start later. Not now. Okay. Yeah. So clear everybody. Yeah. So how do I create new entries and I create the business area, na? So I create a Telangana business area like this. Telangana business area. Then same way MTBA Maharashtra business area like that I will give. Press enter. So here this message also you will get sometimes. So what it is saying? An entry exists with the same key. Why we are getting this message? Because some other student has created with STBA name. Got it? So what you need to do? Little change here and there, na? Right. So STB we will create, na? 3 characters. Got it? So some other student might have created with the same code, na? You will get that message. An entry already exists with the same key. Got it? So what you have to know? Little change you have to. Okay, the code you have to change a little bit, it will work. Is it clear, everybody? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so when I save now, I am getting the request now. You see? Correct. So what is the request I should select now?
Own request.
Yeah, so how do I know? Own request. In own request, what should I do now? I should select Sahara.
Sahara.
So same folder now we already created, right? Good. So now what it is? Now what it is? So here to create a new folder, what we have to do? This is the one. Yeah, this button is there now on the left side. Create request, and you can give a new folder also. And now we are not giving because already folder is there. You create a folder like this. Got it? Yeah, and save, you will get the request. Got it? Yeah. So to existing folder, you can see here new folder, new request you want to create. This is the create request. Okay, guys, clear? Yeah. So now this
Yes, sir.
folder, is it correct? My folder, is it correct? My request?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Select this, save. That is step number 3. So step number 1 is what? Define company. Step number 2 is define company codes. Step number 3 is what?
Define business.
Business areas. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir, one small question.
Yeah.
Is there any limitation to create company codes and the that
No,
property?
no limitation, unlimited.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Good. So now what it is? So here, okay, just one. Okay. Right. So now what it is? We are talking about step number 4. Na? Yeah. Before that, there is a concept called T codes. Okay, T codes, right? Transaction codes. So in short, we call it as T codes. So what are these? These are like shortcut to the screens. Shortcut to the screens. So these are like, see, every time what we are doing, we are clicking and going to a screen. Na? You don't have to go that way. You have a second option, that is the T code. So for every screen, you have a T code. If you know the T code, you can go there directly. Okay. See what is navigation? You know, no? Navigation or path is what? Navigation or path is what? It is a step
Way.
by step approach. Step by step approach to a screen. Correct. But T code is a shortcut to the screen. Directly you can go there. Suppose like we have shortcuts in Excel, na? Like that. Is it clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I will show you. Now step number 1 I will show you. Okay. Step number 1, what we have done? Step number 1, you see. So many times I click, na, I give SPRO here. Enter. Reference IMG. Enter. Then I go to enterprise structure, then definition, then financial accounting, then define company. So I clicked how many times? Probably 6 times I clicked. Right. Yeah. Now look at the screen properly, guys. Change view internal trading partners overview. This screen. Now this screen I can come directly also. This screen, that is the step number 1 screen. I can come directly also. How? I will show you. You see, look at this screen properly. Na? Change view internal trading partners overview. Go back now. So here I will give OX15. In the starting screen, I will give OX15. You see now. Directly. Can you see this OX15 is the T code for the step 1. If you know the T code, you can go to the screen directly. So at the bottom also you can see now. You see? Follow my cursor here. Correct? So for every screen in SAP, you have two options. One option is navigation or path. Second option is T code. Because navigation or path is time taking, na? It is hard work, na? You click, click,
Sir,
click.
every screen will be having their own
T
unique
code.
key code.
Yes. All the standard screens, they will have a T code. Is that
Sir,
clear?
how to know that key code?
You will know. I will show you. So here we have, if you know the path, na? Suppose I will show you. You know the path now, okay? SPRO, reference IMG, you go like this. Enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. Now define companies there. Na? Here you will go to additional information, and here additional information. Yeah, display key, IMG activity. Okay, note down. To know the T code, okay? This is the path. To know the T code, this is the path.
So once again, can this answer?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Once again, show me. Show her.
Yes, sir.
See here. See. So this is the screen. Na? Yeah. So to know the T code, additional information, then you go to display screen and IMG activity. If you click on it, you can see. You will get this. Now you see, first one OX15. These last four characters are the T code. You understood? Okay. Same way, step number 2. What is the T code, guys?
OB40.
No.
OB02.
OX0.
OX02.
OX02. Step number 3. What is the T code?
OX03.
OX03. Got it? That is the T code. I'll show you now. So now, step number 2, I will show you directly. You see now. OX02. Directly you will go. Company code creation. Correct? Same way, I will give OX03. Directly to business area. Lock entry I am getting, na, because the screen is already open. Na? You see, this is already open. Background noise. Background noise. Okay, background noise. Right now. Okay, so step number 3, this is the T code. Na? So you see, I am going directly. OX03, direct. Got it? So if you know the T code, you can go to the screen directly. If you don't know the T code, you are working hard now. You see, step number 2, how I have done SPRO, enter, reference IMG, second click, third click, fourth click, fifth click, sixth click, seventh click, and then I am here. Correct? So to come to this particular screen, I clicked 7 times. Now I don't have to do work hard or waste my time like this. Na? Directly this screen, na, how I am coming, you see, look at this screen, change view company code, where I create the company codes. Na? Now this screen I can come, this screen I can come directly, you see, OX02 directly. You understood the T codes, na? If you know the T codes, you can go to the screen directly. Is that clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So right, so for every screen in SAP, how many options we have?
Two.
Two options. What are they?
Path or keys.
Yeah, navigation or
Navigation,
path
path,
and
transaction code.
Shortcut.
and T codes. T codes. Yeah, T code. So what is the T code for step 1?
OX
OX
50.
15.
15.
OX15. What is the T code for step 2?
OX
OX
03.
02.
02. What is the
002
T code for step 3?
OX 003.
03.
Perfect, na?
Yes,
So,
sir.
so me personally, in my classes, I will focus a lot on the T codes. Maximum, I will try to use T codes, and I will also ensure that you will also get a lot of T codes. Why? Because, see, they give us lot of advantage. You see, these T codes, they are little difficult to learn in the beginning, but they will help you lifelong. Okay. Why? Because these T codes, they are standard T codes. Standard means wherever you go, whichever company, whichever country, kada, whichever version of the software, the T code will be same. Correct? So, so if you learn them once, they are there lifelong. Correct? So that's why we will invest
Sir,
some
excuse
time
me.
on the T code. Yes.
Once again, tell the business area after clear logs how to create.
Business area.
How to create.
How to create, I will show you. No problem. So now we are talking about the T codes. Correct. So these T
Yes,
codes,
sir.
they are standard T codes. They are standard. So in any country, in any SAP, in any company, the T codes will remain the same. In any version of SAP also, the T codes will remain the same. So if you learn them once, you can use in any country, any company, any version. Is that clear? Right. And the second thing is, suppose there are two people. Imagine there are two people who are working. One guy is going by navigation. Na, anything we ask, na, he will go. Click, click, click. After 5 minutes, he is there. And you are somebody who know the T code, na, fast. Within 1 second, you are there.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So somebody who is observing you, what he will think? Kada, he will think that you are more experienced. Na? Correct. So that is the second advantage. It will give very good impression. Kada, somebody who is observing you will definitely think that you are more experienced. Okay. That is, it will give the first impression. Third one is, see these T codes, right? Suppose, mm, see these T codes, they are saving you lot of time, na? See, when you are doing practice, na, tomorrow, they will keep the interest going. Suppose you are doing practice, na? Suppose you have to move from one screen to another screen. Correct. So if you have to click, 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 and you go, by the time you go to next screen, 5 minutes gone. Na? So you will lose interest. It's boring. Navigation is boring. Whereas if you know the T codes, you move, you switch between the screens very fast. Na? Okay. That is what is the advantage of the T codes. So I will focus a lot on the T codes. I will also want you to use as many T codes as possible. Navigation is there, it is there. Kada? We are really not using the navigation. Okay. Now we will focus more on the T codes. Okay. And in the interview, nobody will ask you either navigation or T code. Nobody will ask. Okay. Right. But if you are showing in your CV, suppose you are saying that you worked in one area for 1 year. You worked in asset accounting for 1 year. Now, if you work for 1 year, what do you think? Will you use the navigation or T code? What do you
T
think?
T
codes.
codes, T codes.
T code, na? Then he will ask, na? He will definitely ask asset accounting T codes. He will ask. Suppose you are not able to answer means what? You are not able to answer. What does it mean?
That you are telling fake. I mean, you are
You
not.
are fake. No, that is why he is asking. Na? Correct or not? She is not asking whether you know T code or not. He is just checking whether you are a real guy or not. Got it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this will only they will ask if you are saying I'm strong in this area, I worked in this area for so many months or years. Then they will ask. So these T codes they will back up your experience also. No? Like. Is it clear, everybody? So, right? So we will try to use as many T codes as possible. In the beginning, little difficult, but slowly as you use every day, na, you will become comfortable. No need to worry. No need to buy hard them. Every day with the class, you will learn them automatic.
Sir, how many tickets are there?
There are many thousands are there. But we don't have to worry. We are not learning thousands. Main ones we will learn. Okay. Yeah. So no need to buy hard. I will make sure you will get them automatic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what is the T code for the step one?
OX15.
OX
One five. Na. Step two.
OX
OX02.
OX02.
0. Step three.
OX03.
OX03.
03. Right. So navigation is there, guys. Navigation is there. It is there in your material. It is there in Google also, guys. Yeah, if you go to Google and say na navigation in SAP for company creation, you will get it. So I am not wasting time here. Generally, what I see in the classes, na they will tell, okay, come on, go SPRO, he will write. Then reference IMG, write. So by the time that path is written, na 5 minutes gone. So like that, if you write six paths, na half an hour gone. Then what is that you are learning? Zero. Will you remember the path? Can you remember the path? No way. Can you remember the path? No, not path. Is it? Can you by heart the path? No.
No.
Got it. So there is. It is only waste of time, na? Correct. So me personally, I will not dictate any path or write down. Initially, I said, but from now onwards, I will be using the T codes. Is that clear? Path is available on Google. It is there in the material. If you want, you can use it. But no, we will try to use T code soon. Is it clear? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So now step number one. One. What is the T code? OX
OX
15.
OX15.
OX 15. Step number two.
OX02.
02. Step number three.
OX03.
OX 03. Now there is one more thing that we need to know is slash n is there. Slash n. Slash n means what? If you put slash n
Remove lock.
in, no. Slash n in any
View
screen.
screen.
Yeah. So if you put slash n here, na, I mean step number two, na. If I put slash n, what will happen? It will take me back to home screen. Got it? I'm in
Okay.
OX15. I'm in OX15. If I put slash n, what will happen? It will take me back to home screen. Is that clear? So giving slash n in any screen will take you back to home screen. Is that clear? So now, suppose I am in OX15 and I want to go to step number 2. I am in step 1. I want to go to step 2. What should I do? Here, step 2, what is the T code, guys?
OX02.
OX
OX02, na?
yes, sir.
See, it's not accepting, na?
Like
Not
slash n and again OX02.
Yeah, so then what I have to do? Yes, slash n. I'm saying go back
Go
and
back to
then go
screen.
to step.
Two. OX.
Is it clear? So you
OX02.
cannot move from one screen to another screen directly. You have to go back to home screen, then go to new screen. Is that clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what
Yes,
I am
sir.
doing here, step number 2, I have come. To go to step 3, what I should do?
Slash n and OX03.
Now it will. If I want to go to step 1,
Slash n
Slash
and
and
OX15.
OX0.
OX1. Is it clear? So to go
Yes,
from
sir.
one screen to another screen, we have to give slash n plus T code. Is that clear, everybody? Yeah.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
suppose I am in here, I am in the starting screen. Then here, do I need to give slash n?
No,
No.
No,
No,
sir.
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 It is already home screen.
I am already in home screen. Now here I
Already
can
one.
give directly. Is that clear? Right. Right. So if you are in home screen, you can use the T code directly. If you are in some other screen and go to any other screen, we have to use slash n plus T code. Is that clear, everyone?
Yeah, sir, clear. Sir, suppose if I want to keep this screen as it is, like initially you shown this one option, new one box on top. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, I want to keep this screen as it is. You're telling control N means we need to go back that screen. This will be get automatic removed, sir.
If I put slash n, it will be removed. That's it.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah. So you want to keep this as it is and you want to one more, huh?
Yes, sir.
Want
Is
to
there
open
any?
one. Yeah, this one. New
Okay,
session.
okay.
New session.
Got it, got it.
So like this, how many sessions I can open?
Six.
Six sessions. See, once I open six sessions, now you see six sessions.
So this sixth session is actually for ECC or ERP.
Yeah, for everything. Yeah, six
So,
sessions. Yeah.
so in
So,
SAP, this is the limitation of six,
yes, yes,
right?
correct. Maximum number of sessions reach.
Each.
Is that clear?
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you see I have six screens here, continuous. This is one screen, one, two, three, four, five, six. Is that clear? Yeah. So that is step number three. Next. Step number four. Write down. Step number four. Write down, guys. Step number four is define. Oh, sorry. Assign it is. Assign company codes. Company codes is nothing but shortcut. COCDS is nothing. In shortcut, we write it as that. Assign company codes to company. That is OX16. Is that clear? Yes, no doubt.
Sir, there's a small doubt.
Yes.
Sir, with this T code, so we observed the first one is actually OX15
Hmm.
and the second one is OX02. So why it
Hmm.
is not OX01?
Correct. Good question. See, when they were developing the SAP software, they developed it for a business. Okay. And finance is one part of it. Imagine if you are talking about a circle, finance is one sector in it. So, so which slice you are seeing only finance, so you are not seeing the full circle. In the full circle, we have FI, SD, PP, all the modules are there. So they developed it for a business, not for finance module. So the T codes are spread across in all the modules. Is that clear? So you are only seeing finance angle, you are not seeing for a business. Got it? So
Yes.
OX15 is OX01 is they started with the purchasing part. You see, if you go to OX01, it will talk about purchasing. You see, purchase organization. Got it? Which is a part. Got it? So when they developed, they developed it keeping total business in the mind, not only finance. Only finance is a part of it. Okay? Yeah, that's why the T codes are spread across.
So
Okay?
that means if anywhere in any system, if I'll enter OX15, so that will be in finance file first, means the group which we have created that will open.
Uh, okay. Can you repeat, please?
So for an example, tomorrow I'll work in a different company and if I'll enter the T code as OX15,
Hmm.
then it will open the first company group, right?
Yes. Yeah, see, the screen is the same. You understand? In any company, any country, any SAP version, the screen is same. Now, in the screen, what you create is your requirement. See here, the screen is same. OX15, I give like this. The screen is same. Here, what I create? New entries. I may create Tata Group. I may create Bajaj Group. I may create.
Yes, yes, I understand this concept. So means
Correct.
this the screen will be only opening in anywhere if I'll be means
Eh,
entering these people.
Exactly. That's why when you learn T code, na, it will be applicable anywhere. Got
Understood.
it? Yeah. So that's why I'm repeating now. Any country, any company, any version. In the starting versions onwards, this T code is there. In ECC also same T code. In S4 HANA also same T code. So if you invest time once, it is a lifetime usage. It is. SAP will never ever going to change the T code. Is that clear? For this screen, for any screen for that matter. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we change the company name, sir?
Can you change the
Company name.
name? You
Already
can
existing
change.
company.
Code you created. See, Sahara I created. Now this code you cannot change. This code, whatever you have given, 6 cat, this you cannot change. Name I can change. Name, address, everything I can change. Is
Okay,
that
sir.
clear? Good.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I change the short description, sir?
Short description means this one, SHARA.
Create request.
Request you cannot change. No. Once created, it is a folder is folder. That's it. You cannot change.
Okay,
You can create another request if you want.
okay, sir.
Okay.
How to delete the companies?
Delete companies, just select it and then delete it. This is delete button.
Okay.
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 And you have to, after delete, you have to save it.
Okay.
Because even delete is also a change. You should save the change.
Yes, sir.
Got it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everybody comfortable now? Step 1, step 2, step 3. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Step
Yes, sir.
4.
yes, sir.
Step 4, what is the T code?
OX16.
0x16.
1016.
So OX16 shall I give?
No, sir.
No.
What is the
Slash n.
problem?
Slash
N
n
OX16.
Slash n.
Now it will. Assign company code to company.
Company.
So what is this step is? See, in step 1, I created the company. That is the group. Correct? Correct or not? Group I created. Na? What is the name of the group?
Sahara.
Sahara.
Sahara. Correct. Then step 2, I created
Company code.
Company codes.
company codes. Correct. Company codes. Right. So what are the company codes I created?
Sahara Hotel,
SHL and
Sahara.
SAS.
Correct. 2 company. Now in step 4, what I am saying? I
Business
am
area.
saying that SAL is linked to which group? This belong to which group?
Sahara.
Got it? Yeah, Sahara. Next, SHL belongs to
Sahara.
Sahara. Is that clear? So step 1, I created the group. Step 2, I created the company codes. Step 4, what I am saying? I am saying that these company codes belong to this group. Is it clear? See here, just because names are matching Sahara, system will not link it up. We have to do the link up. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. Now in step 4, I am linking it up.
Yes, sir. Sir, small clarification. In
Yes.
SAP home screen, we are using SPRO because to navigate, right? If I know T code directly, no need of typing SPRO, right?
No, directly you can go.
So SPRO is only for navigation purpose, the person who is doing newly, right?
Correct.
This is not a T code. SPRO is not a T code.
SPRO is also a T code.
Okay, we can assume that is also a T code.
Yes, exactly. So it is taking us to the screen where we want to use navigation.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right. Okay, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to step 4 now. So I am going to OX16. So this is already open. So many locks we are getting. Yeah. So this is open. Step number 4. Yeah. OX16. Next. So here what I will do, how many company codes I have in my system?
375.
There is. Now what I want to do, I want to link this with this. Na?
Yes, sir.
So I have to search which company code position. Which company code I should search?
Sahara.
SAL.
KR.
So SAL. What is the name I should give here?
Sahara.
Sahara. Na? So SAL I am linking to Sahara. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So in this, see, system is very smart here, right? So system is, see, if I created only, it will accept. Suppose if I do any mistake, Sahara I created, na Sahara I did not create, na. You see now. You see, got it? Does not exist. Error. So if I create in step 1 only, it will accept. If I have not created, it will not accept. Because in that split
So
second,
can
it
you
is go.
just show once again, sir, how is the difference?
So you go to OX16. Yeah, position. What is my company code?
SHL.
SAL, Sahara Airlines. I'm linking to Sahara. Same way, Sahara Hotels. What is the name? SHL is also here, no?
Mandila.
Yes, sir.
So I will give same or different.
Same.
Same, you see.
Fiscal.
Got it? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You understood the point, everybody?
Yes, sir.
ఒక్క నిమిషం ఇస్తాను భవ్య.
Background noise. Okay.
Sir, if you forget the company code, what will happen? How to know that?
Forget the company code. Na? You have a drop down na, here. Okay, position. You have a drop down. Na? This we call it as a drop down. Yeah. You have a complete list. No? One by one you can go and search. At least you remember na starting letter at least. Na? At least it will show you that find whatever you have. Na?
Okay.
Yeah, you can go and use find option. Okay. Yeah. Right. Next. So we have na, I have created SAL. It is here. So SAL linked to Sahara. Same way SHL also linked to Sahara. Is that clear? Both belong to the same group, na?
Yes, sir.
Same group or different group?
Same group.
Same group, sir.
So step number 4, I linked the company codes to the company.
Sir, just by writing, write down the name of Sara, it will automatically link the company code.
Yeah, so here I'm linking, na? Assign company code, arrow mark here, company. This is the company code on the left side. This is the company on the right side. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So I am saying that these two company codes belong to the same group. Okay.
Sir, after entering this, we have to click on save, right?
That's it. Save. When I click on save, now it will ask the request. Is the request correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, that's it. If it is wrong, then you pick it up, na, from the correct.
Yes.
Yeah. Enter. So how many changes I have saved in the request?
Two.
How many changes? So step 1 is one change, na? Step 1,
Four
step
steps.
2, 4 steps, na? 4 changes. Steps
Yeah.
are nothing but changes. Yeah. So step
Four-
1, I
four
created the
steps.
company group.
Right.
Step 2, I created the company code. Step 3, I created business area. Step 4, I linked the company codes to the company. Correct. So I have
Yes.
all the 4 saved in the request. Correct. So these 4
Assign
changes, I have
Yes.
done in the development. Correct. Now quality, there are no changes. So what I will do, copy to quality means it will apply the 4 changes in the quality. Got it? Yeah. So I don't create again in quality. It will automatically be applied to quality. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Now,
how to do that?
how to? Your voice is breaking. That's why I said, na, you have to have proper internet connection. Okay. So how to do that? I will show separately. Okay, in the
To
project.
copy.
Yeah. Right? Yeah. We are not having multiple servers. No, we have only one. Na? On this only we are working. Okay. I'll show you separately. Okay. So step number 4 completed, na?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. No. So now I will ask you, suppose these 4 steps, if you have to do, now we have shown for Sahara, na? Suppose you have to do
Yes,
the
sir.
same for Tata Group. Yeah, under Tata Group, you have 9 company codes. Okay. So how you will do for Tata Group now? So first you will start with enterprise structure. No?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So in first enterprise structure, what is the first thing you will do?
Define.
We'll define company group.
Define company. Which company I will create?
Tata.
Tata.
Tata
Group.
How many
Tata Group.
characters here?
6
Four.
characters.
6.
6 characters. So Tata GR I will create. Okay. Next. Step 2, I will create
Define.
Company
Company
code.
codes.
Company
how
codes.
many company codes?
9 company.
9 company.
9.
Now I created only 2, na? Same way you will create 9 company. Good. Next, step 3,
Business area.
Business
Business
area.
area.
business
Say
areas. How many business areas?
Depending
9.
on the
Depending upon the business, na? How many
Business.
states they are operating, which business areas they want. Correct? Next.
yes.
Okay, step 4, what it is?
Assign
Assign
company
company
codes
codes to
to
company.
Assign
Company
company
codes.
code.
9 company codes I will link to
company.
Company.
which company? Tata.
Tata Groups.
Tata Group.
Got it? Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah.
So here it is a very big group, na 9 company codes. I have Tata Steel, Tata Motors, TCS, kada Tata Land Rover, Jaguar, many are. Is that clear? Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
what I discussed is an example for Sahara. Correct or not? But every client is different. Na? So when
Yes.
you are
Yes, sir.
doing a project, you have to do the same as per the client require. So he may have 100 company codes. You have to create 100. He may have 15 business areas. You have to create them. Na? So I am discussing with an example. Same thing you have to apply. You have to adapt it to your client requirement. Got it? You have to adapt to the client requirement. Is that clear? So
Yes, sir.
all the steps I will be showing with the example of Sahara. But you cannot say, na, I have learned only Sahara. I will do only Sahara. Na? No, no, no. You have to apply that, adapt it to your new client.
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Yes.
See, guys, we are consultants. Kada, in medical field also there are consultants, na?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? We have cardiac consultant, we have pulmonologist, we
Pharmacy.
have, kada, we have consultants, na? Kada. So, we are specialists, kada. And there
Yes, sir.
we are treating somebody, na? Yeah. So here also, who is our client? The business. Yeah. So they have a problem. We are solving their problem. Got it? Yeah. So
So small doubt.
yes.
So unless and until you will create any change request, okay. So the T codes will not be work, right? So if I'll get a project from, for an example, XYZ company, and I have to enter, for an example, 500 company codes. So I have to manually enter first this 500 codes, right? Post that the T codes can be activated, right?
Hmm? Post the T codes can be. T codes are already there in the screen. The T code is for the screen, not for the company code. This is
Okay,
the
so
this is OX02 I go there. The screen is already there, na? The screen is already there, na? The
Yes, sir.
screen is not after you create. You are not creating the screen. The screen is already there in SAP. This screen is
so
for
that
any company. Whoever buys, the screen will be there. In the screen, what you create is your requirement.
understood.
Got it? So if you see this OX15, this is already there. New software also it is there. Now, if Tata buys it, they will create Tata Group. If Bajaj buys it, they will create Bajaj Group, no? You got it? Yeah.
Got
So
it.
screen and
Yes,
T
sir.
code will remain the same for any company. In that, what you create is your required. Got it? Yeah. Good. Any other questions?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, if someone asks, what do we do in SPRO? What should be the answer, sir?
Was SPRO is a screen to navigate to, in a consulting screen. Kada? So in the consulting, whatever screens you want, na, consultant can go through, click, 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 and you can go there. Na? So all the consulting screens, they are through SPR. Correct? See, we have this normal screen also there. Na? This is the user screen. Na? He can go here. Without going to SPR also, he can work. Na? Accounting tab, financial accounting, general ledger, posting, GL posting. He will post the transactions here. This is user level. Now, user if user is typing here, suppose for example, if user is typing here SPRO, na, it will say access denied. Kada? End user cannot come here. Correct? An end user will work here only. Only consultant will have access to SPR. Is that clear?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Good. So step number 1, 2, 3, 4 we completed, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So step
Sir,
number 5, yes.
sorry to interrupt, sir. Sir, I can see regarding this question is company code. I can see company code is like 3N more than 34. Okay. So what is the minimum digits we can give for company code? I can see only 3 and 4.
You can give 1 also.
Oh,
Maximum is 4, you can give 1 also.
okay,
But
fine, sir.
1 looks odd, na?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay? Yeah.
Sir, I have a
Right.
small question.
Yes.
After creating customized request, they are all saved in the folder, right? Can we delete any of them?
Yeah, you can delete, na, wherever you created, you delete it and you save it. Then it will be
Okay.
deleted.
Okay. If we
Correct?
create two customized requests, then if I want to delete one, we can delete, right?
Request you cannot delete. The changes in that you can remove.
Okay, okay.
Request cannot be deleted. Once created, it will be there.
Okay, fine.
Okay? Yeah. Good. Any other questions? Yeah. See, it is like, I have three, again, I'm using this word, na, to make you understand the word change. So I have three white papers. I used a pencil and I have written something on the paper one. That is the change. Okay. Now, tomorrow I want to apply it to quality paper 2. I will not again write it on the paper 2. I will just apply the change to paper 2. Kada? So I'll say this change is saved in this request. Apply this request to the paper 2. So when I apply it, automatically whatever I have written in the paper 1, it will be applicable to paper 2. You understood? That is how we are taking the changes forward. Correct. So now tomorrow I want to remove that. Then what I have to do? Remove it from the paper 1, that is erase it. Kada? Erase it and save. Kada? That is also a change. Na? Removing is also a change. Correct.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Writing
sir.
the name also is a change. Removing the name also is a change. Na? So that
Yes,
is
sir.
also a change. When I apply the second change, second request I apply, na, then it will be removed from paper 2 also. Na? You got
Yes.
it?
Yes.
That is what. Clear everybody? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now, so the step number 5, write down. Step number 5. Step number 5. 5 is what? Define fiscal year variant. Okay, note down OB29. Step number 6 is assign company code to fiscal year variant. Okay, that is OB30. Okay, write down.
Done.
Okay, right. So here fiscal year variant. Fiscal year is nothing but financial year. Correct. So what is the financial year in India?
April to March.
April 1st to March 31st.
Correct, April to. What is the financial year in US?
January to December.
Correct. You understand the word financial year, na?
Yes, sir.
Good. So now I am saying, okay now. So now suppose I am a multinational MNC. Okay, I am a multinational company. I am multinational means you know na? I am operating in multiple countries. Correct. So I have, suppose my company codes are there na, SAL. It is in India. It will follow which financial year? April to
April to March.
March. Now suppose my SHL is in America. It
Jan to
is in
December.
US. It will follow Jan to December. Correct na? See, we have to follow the financial year of the country in which we are in, na? We are operating, right? Correct or not? See, suppose one American company is there. Yeah, it wants to do business in India. Can it say I'm an American company? I will use American fiscal year in India?
Mm.
Can it use of American fiscal year in India?
No.
Got it? Yeah. So suppose an Indian company is going to America. Can it say I'm an Indian company? I will follow Indian fiscal year in America?
No.
Correct or not? So you have to follow local fiscal year, na?
Yes.
So the problem comes when you are a multinational company and if you have operating in many countries, na? So in many countries, many fiscal year, na? So so your one company code will be operating in April to March. One company code operating in April to March. Another company code operating in Jan to December. Got it? Yeah. So the my question would be then why is India following April to March? Why only April to March? We can also follow
New
Jan.
Year, like.
No, we can also follow Jan to December, na? Correct or not?
Sir, I think our New Year is the March.
New Year is
March, Telugu New Year.
March ending, prepare the financial.
yeah, because our financial year is March ending, we are preparing the financial year. Correct. Not because we have to prepare our financial year is April to March, na? So why we are following April to March only? We can also follow Jan to December, na? Simple, na?
Sir, it is the standard in India, sir. That is
Why
why
like
it is
that?
in US.
We can also have standard Jan to December in India, na? Why only April to March?
Sir, because in tax we have financial year starting from April to March.
Yeah, that is what I am saying. We can say na in tax we can make it as Jan to December, na?
Sir, income
Why?
tax must be paid in this rate.
Hmm?
No, sir. The government has fixed it as April to March rate.
Why? They can fix from Jan to December, na? Correct or not? Easy,
Yes.
na? Why fix somewhere in the middle April to March and create problem for everybody? We can fix from Jan to December, na? Like US has done. Correct? Somebody wants to
If it is
speak, but hmm.
it is Jan to December, it will run with the US
See, your internet is
financial
bad.
year and Indian financial.
Okay, we are able to hear and we are not able to hear also. 50-50. Why? Because your network.
Sir, we need to know the total income up to the month so we can pay the tax.
Yes, correct. That is why the fiscal year is there. My question is not why the fiscal year is there. My question is Why we have April to March only? We can also have simple Jan to December, na?
So
Why
it's a
start in the middle of the year?
The Hindu calendar starts from where?
Hmm?
Hindu calendar starts with
In the which
March.
calendar?
Hindu.
Hindu calendar. Okay.
according to Gap, we have to follow the same financial year,
No, no,
April to March.
no, no.
It
Okay,
is only
see.
tradition, sir.
Okay. So let me tell you, right? See, in India in the beginning it was a agricultural economy. You know, agricultural economy. So a lot dependent on agriculture. So
Yes,
most
sir.
of the people got income from agriculture, no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. So background noise, fan noise, Ahmad shake up. Yeah. So so see, end of the day, why we have fiscal year to get taxes, and we want to maximize our tax revenue, na? And when the people will pay more tax when they have the money in their pocket, right? So so in April, actually harvesting is done, na? If you go by Indian monsoons, monsoons,
Yes, sir.
our agriculture is dependent on the monsoons. And in the April, harvesting is done. That's when they sell the produce. They have the money, right? So you have that is when the Baisakhi, Ugadi, Onam, all is celebrated, na, in India. That is when the people are celebrating. Why they are celebrating? Because they have got the produce and they have the money. Correct. So our tax year was rotating around this monsoons and agriculture. Right. So we thought, okay, April to March would be correct for us. That is when we will get the maximum tax revenues. See, if you are asking somebody after 6 months, na, they don't have the money, right? We should ask them when they have the money in their pocket, right? That is what it is, right? So for India, April to March is correct because that is where we have the maximizing the tax revenues. Correct. So like that, every country will decide. No? Now India decided April to March. Same way, now Sri Lanka is there. Sri Lanka is dependent on tourism, na? Kada. So for tourism, what is correct for it? Accordingly, it will decide, right? So different countries in the world they follow different fiscal years which is suitable for them to maximize the tax revenues. Kada. So there are some countries which are dependent on tourism, there are some countries dependent on agriculture, some countries dependent on something else. Correct. So what is correct for them to maximize the tax revenues that they will follow. So there are many countries in this world following different fiscal years. Different countries following different fiscal years. Is that clear?
Sir, we
Yes,
have
sir.
chance to decide the financial year.
Who have?
We have chance to decide the
No,
financial.
you cannot decide. The government, the country has already decided. So all that you have to do is follow it. Correct. Suppose if I am a company, if I am a multinational company and I'm operating in three countries. Each country following different fiscal year. Correct or not? I have to
Yes,
follow
sir.
that locally, na? Correct? Yes, I
Yes.
have to follow. So my different company codes will be running in different fiscal years. Correct? So if you are a multinational company operating in multiple countries, each company code will be following different fiscal year. Is it clear, everybody? So in step number 5, what we do is in step number 5 we create the required fiscal years.
Yeah.
In step number 5, that is step 5, we will create the required fiscal years for our company, multinational company. We will create the required fiscal years. Correct or not? Whatever fiscal years there we need, now we will create. Like, for example, we will create like this. Okay. Our company starting with yes, na Sahara, na, so I will create like this S3, 2 characters. So this I will create as April to March. Then I'll create one more that is S4, that is I'll create it as Jan to December. So like this, whatever fiscal years I need, na, I will create. Kada? So in whichever countries I am operating, whatever fiscal years I need, na, I will create them. Then in step number 6, I will link them. No? I'll say SAL, I will use what? S3. Why? Because this is in India. And S3 is what? April to March. In SHL, I will use S4. Why? Because this is in America.
Yes.
Understand? So in step number 5, I create all the required fiscal years. In step number 6, I will link them to respective company code. Is that clear? So when you are multinational company, if you are operating in multiple countries, each country may follow a different fiscal year. Correct? And you have to follow it. There is no chance. So what you do? You create the required fiscal years, whatever it is, April to March, Jan to December, July to June, October to September, whatever it is, you will create it. And then in step number 6, you will link it to the company code. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So there are many countries in this world following different fiscal years. Correct. So as a multinational company, if you are operating in multiple countries, you have to follow local fiscal year of that country. So what you have to do, you have to create that fiscal years and then you have to link them. Okay, good. So this one, what I will do, I will do it tomorrow separately. Right. So only 4 steps I completed today. You complete the practice up to step 4. Okay, guys. So step number 6
Okay.
onwards, I will do it practically tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. Step
Okay.
number 5 onwards, sorry, 5 onwards, I will show you tomorrow.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
do this practice, guys. So complete those who have not started, at least try to complete by tomorrow up to step 4. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So tomorrow also you have the session, same time, guys, 6:30 till 8:30. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, then thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, only on
Sorry.
for this weekend we are doing this, right? From next weekend we will be there. Only speak with them, right?
From next weekend, we will see. Yeah. Next weekend, you are talking about timing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we will see. If we are able to cope up by next weekend, we will try to change the timing. Otherwise, one more week, no, maximum another week, it will extend. Okay. Yeah.
Got it.
Okay, then thank you, guys. We'll